Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the iPhone and confirming basic identifiers. First, inspect the screen, frame, ports, and buttons for damage or watermarks so you know what to expect. Then connect to Wi-Fi and watch how the battery responds. Erratic jumps suggest battery issues. Next, go to Settings General About and compare the IMEI or serial to the device label. Once done, record those numbers for later checks and to prevent theft or mismatch problems. You now verify internal status and security locks. First, check iOS version and free storage in settings, because outdated or full devices can hide problems. Make sure updates install smoothly. Then confirm activation lock is off by checking settings your name or seeing if Find My is enabled. A locked device is unusable without credentials. Finally, test cameras, mic, speakers, Face or Touch ID, and cellular/Wi-Fi to ensure features. You finish by running final diagnostics and troubleshooting minor issues. Check battery health in settings to see maximum capacity and peak performance. Inspect SIM tray for liquid indicators and test charging with a known cable. Try Bluetooth and accessory pairing to confirm ports and antennas. If software glitches persist, reset settings or perform a DFU restore after backing up. This often resolves stubborn problems. If hardware faults appear, recommend a professional repair or return, and document everything for warranty or sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.